If you are dealing with dry or damaged hair, you are going to love this Green Goddess shampoo I was just gifted. I was just gifted this in the nick of time as I was just traveling. My hair was so dry and brittle once I got home from my travels, and this was here waiting for me, and my hair is already loving it. I just washed with this today. It suds up beautifully. It really nourished my scalp and my hair, and everything feels light and wonderful. My only wish is that they had also sent me the conditioner, as it would have been really nice to test them both together. But what makes this so amazing is its incredible clean ingredients. It has rosemary oil to promote scalp health and hair growth, avocado oil to hydrate and restore, green tea extract, which is a powerful antioxidant, and coconut oil for more of that hydration and silky smoothness. And I gotta tell you, my hair definitely feels silky smooth already. Now, I've only used this once, so this is definitely a first impression review. I really look forward to using this more. It's such a nice experience. It has a light smell. It suds up beautifully. My hair feels so refreshed, and so does my scalp. Everything just feels cleaner and healthier, and I feel really good about this product. I also love the reviews, as they definitely are aligning with the experience I had. I am very impressed, and I look forward to using this more. And if you are looking for a natural, vegan, very clean hair care product that has well-known potent ingredients for hydration, hair strengthening, and growth, you are going to love this shampoo.